Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek Sinha and you are watching our YouTube channel. Welcome you again in my new video where I will tell you how to unlock the lock of your mobile phone like pin, pattern and password lock. In this video you will also know that you will not lose any data at the time of unlocking your mobile. And the biggest thing is from this video we will also know that how can you remove the password of your mobile without any computer and without any data loss. This method is also used in the service center now and you can use it. By doing this, you can unlock any Android smartphone like Realme, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco, LG, Sony. So let's start this video. First of all, whenever your mobile is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. When your mobile is locked, first of all you have to full battery charged minimum 30 to 50% your mobile, so that your mobile will not switched off in the process of unlocking. If your mobile will be switched off during mobile unlocking, then all the important data of your smartphone remains in danger of being deleted. Watch this video properly till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your mobile phone by fully learning the method mentioned in it and applying it to your logged smartphone. First of all, you must full battery charge of your smartphone, as I say 30 to 50%. Then after use the offline mode. In this offline mode, first of all you have to click on emergency call option from here. When your emergency call option comes, I am telling you a secret code to close your running background applications, and you have to use that code to close those applications. And this code is star hash 56969 star 12577 and hash. And now you have to call this code 3 times. When you click the call button, a message of call failed is appear in your mobile screen. You have to ignore this pop-up to click OK. After that you have to repeat the same process for 3 times, 2 and 3. After completing this process, you have to clear the codes from here. The offline mode in your smartphone may not have been fully activated yet. You still have one process left, and that process is now you have to put your smartphone in airplane mode from these shortcuts, meaning now the flight mode of your handset has to be activated. This is the airplane mode. You have to click the airplane mode to activate this function. With activating it, your smartphone will go completely in offline mode. Now you have to completed a stage, and now you have to take a new and most important another steps here. Now you have to activate the master unlocking mode of your smartphone. It is also called engineer mode in the language of our service center. Now you have to use that code to open engineer mode also, and this code is star hash 899 and hash, means star hash 899 and hash. As you will by clicking on the last hash button, the engineer mode will be activated in your smartphone. The page of master locking will come in your smartphone. As you can see that there are many options. Then you have to find some options here like software version in number 5. You have to open the software version option here. It is showing you the software version. You have to find another option. This is Android version. Okay, it has to be clicked as many times as it is written here, meaning you have to click on Android version as many times. If you are showing Android version 10, 11, 12 and 13 here, then you have to click it 10, 11, 12 and 13 times. For example friends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. After that, as soon as this process of yours will be completed, now you have to come back from this page. After this, now you have to click on the option above it, that is a manual test on 4 number option. You have to open this manual test option. Now some new pages will also comes in your smartphone screen. Now you have to go to the last page which belongs to other by swiping it from the side, and now you will be total 5 option here. You have to work in these options very carefully. First of all, you have to click on the database version or mainboard version for 9 times. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now after completing it, you have to click on the option given here on number 2, that is read write important log test. Okay. When you open it for the first time, you will be asked to confirm it, but you don't have to confirm it. Click on the cancel button. You have to repeat the same process for 3 times, 2 and 3. But in the 4th time, you have to click on the OK button from here. Now you will be seeing here your mobile password has gone to the reset mode. Now all you have to do is apply one last method and your smartphone will be unlocked. Now you have to go to the device debugging page, and this is the device debugging page. Here you will be seeing many options. You have to find an option which named sensor self and calibration. Now you have to click and open it. Now you will be seeing some options here. Here all the options are in default not started mode. You have to start it automatically by touching it, and here you will get a message of a test pass. If your test pass message is not coming, then you have to click it until the test pass message comes. If your test pass message come, then your work is done. By the way, you will click on the home button here, and you can see that your mobile password is unlocked and there is no any photos, videos and data loss of your smartphone. In this way, you can unlock any Android smartphone. If your mobile is still not unlocked, in that case, you can comment us by subscribe our YouTube channel. Our team will reply to your comments so that you will be able to unlock your mobile. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.